Living area, 1809+/. Beautiful home located in Sugarwood Subdivision offering 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This home features an open floor plan, high ceilings with stacked crown moldings, granite countertops, and fireplace. Kitchen is spacious with custom cabinetry, breakfast bar, freestanding electric range/oven, microwave hood, dishwasher, and vaulted ceilings. Kitchen overlooks the dining/breakfast area and the large family room with wood-burning fireplace. Master bedroom offers vaulted ceilings with grand moldings for accent. Master bath boasts double sinks, separate shower, jetted tub, and a separate water closet. Lovely covered back patio, perfect for relaxing after a long day at work or for entertaining family on the weekend.